A brand new research paper just dropped, and it's a game changer. Imagine slashing AI costs by 4 times with a tweak of just 5 words. Yep, researchers have flipped the script on how AI thinks. Forget the verbose chain of thought used by models like ChatGPT or Claude say hello to the draft chain. A slick new method that mimics human reasoning while using way fewer resources. Hey everyone, there's a hot new strategy for making AI think smarter, and it's called the draft chain. I'll stick with that name for this breakdown whether it catches on in the research world or not. It works for now. You're probably familiar with the chain of thought approach powering models like DeepSeek R1, ChatGPT o3, Sonnet, and even Grok. That method kicked off a new era of AI scaling laws, sparking breakthroughs left and right. Ever since DeepSeek R1 rolled out large-scale chain-of-thought reasoning, companies have been churning out next-level models nonstop. Grok 3, ChatGPT o3, Sonnet 3.7, Google's Gemini, you name it. But here's the catch. While the chain of thought is a massive leap forward, it's got some flaws. It's slow as molasses because the model churns out a ton of tokens before spitting out an answer. Now, a team from Zoomipe, the video call folks, cooked up a faster, leaner way for AI to reason. It's closer to how humans actually think, and it's a total resource saver. That's what we're diving into today. What's wild about AI right now is that breakthroughs aren't just coming from giants like Microsoft XAI or OpenAI. Any team can shake things up. That's what makes this field so thrilling. The paper is called Chain of Draft. Thinking Faster by Writing Less. Not the catchiest title, but it nails the point. If you've been out of the loop, let me catch you up quick. The chain of thought lets AI break problems into step-by-step chunks, mimicking structured human reasoning. Think of it like solving a puzzle piece by piece. It's effective, but it guzzles computational power, leading to long-winded outputs and laggy responses. Models like DeepSeek R1, Grok 3, and Gemini rely on this, but it's not perfect. Here's why. Humans don't think in straight lines of text. When you solve a problem, it's not just a mental monologue, it's instincts, visuals, feelings all mashed together. The chain of thought? It's more like a 2D sketch of our 3D minds. It's better than old-school AI, sure, but it's still a simplification. The Zoom team's draft chain aims to bridge that gap. Instead of rambling through every step, it has AI jot down just the key bits like a human scribbling notes on a napkin. Less fluff, same smarts. Take this example. Jason has 20 lollipops, gives some to Denny, and ends up with 12. How many did he give away? Old school AI might blurt out 8 with no explanation. Chain of thought? It'd write a novel. Jason starts with 20, gives some away, now has 12, so subtract 12 from 20. Blah blah 8. Draft chain? Straight to the point. 20, x equals 12, x equals 8. Boom. You still see the logic, but it's snappy. That's the magic same answer, less bloat. The paper tested this on benchmarks like GSM 8K math problems with models like ChatGPT -4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Standard prompting scored low 53% accuracy. Chain of thought jumped to 95%. Draft chain hit 91%. But here's the kicker. It used a quarter of the tokens and slashed latency. For real-world use, think millions of queries. That's a cost-cutting goldmine. On common sense reasoning tests, it held steady at 88% versus 90% for chain of thought, still with half the tokens. How's it work? A tiny prompt tweak. Think step by step, but keep each step under 5 words. That's it, no retraining, just smarter instructions. It's wild that a few words can revolutionize AI efficiency. This isn't about new model sets, it's about working smarter with what we've got. If you're into AI, now's the time to jump in. These tricks could redefine everything. Want more? Check the paper or hit me up.